was causing a commotion. Dennis, you were causing a
During the
commotion.
wedding, right?
During. Pagdating pa lang ni Claudia, hindi ko to nakikita. All of this were told to me after the ceremony, before the reception. He was causing a commotion. He was pacing, walking, ganon, complaining. Tumataas ang boses mo, Dennis. They had to ask you to please lower your voice. And when you could not be controlled, they told you, can we take this outside? Can we take this discussion outside? Oji, I know how Dennis is short-tempered, explosive, walang pakialam sa breathing, manners, whatever. Bakit ako gagawa ng mga bagay na kaiinisan mo ng sadya? Kung alam ko you're a ticking time bomb, anytime you will freak out. Ba't ko gagawin yun, Oji? Dennis, I wanna choose my words nicely. When I left you 18 years ago, I removed your power over me. I suffered so much. Physical abuse, financial abuse, verbal abuse was even worse to me than physical abuse. I will take the beating anytime. But his verbal abuse is mura na hindi mo alam kung saan nanggaling ang words and terms. I'll take that all. Ayokong maramdaman ng mga anak ko yun. Hindi na kita iniisip, hindi kita hini-hate all these years. I removed your power over me. So yung pag pinagkikwentuhan mo ang isang 1-hour ceremony, para na siyang telenovela, Oji. Pag ninarrate ni Denison, parang ang daming nangyari. Parang inapi siya mula nang dumating hanggang umalis. Sinong mag-aapi sa kanya? We were all focused on the bride and the groom. Listening to the homily of the priest. You know? Sino ang nananakit sa'yo? Kung nalileft out ka, wala ka kasi sa buhay ng mga anak mo eh. Mas gusto mo kasi magpa-interview eh. Diba? He was raising his voice, he was causing a commotion. Yung mga pamangkin kong matatanda na, mga 40s, were just ready to whatever, stop him or whatever. Kaya kinakalma siya ng wedding coordinators. They were demanding